Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to choose the right template on Stencil. Here's a guide for choosing the right template. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and go to GetStencil.com. Log in using your credentials. On the dashboard, click on Templates, which is at the left-hand side of your screen. This will show the library of templates designed for various purposes. Identify the goal of your design, such as creating social media posts, ads, or blog graphics. Use the search bar here, or you can also find from the categories that match your purpose. You can apply these categories to narrow down options based on factors for your template. Click on any template to view a larger version. This lets you see the design layout and element in more detail. Consider whether the template structure and style align with your brand or message. Once you have chosen the right template, click on Try this template button to open it on the editor. You can now personalize the template by editing text, color, image, and other elements. Following these steps will help you select and customize template that perfectly suit your project needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.